If you want to turn off 2FA in Epic Games, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you're switching to a different security method, cleaning up your account settings, or just need to manage your login options, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can do it without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming and software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website, then log into the account where you want to disable two-factor authentication. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts linked to different email addresses or devices. Once you're in, look at the top of the page and click on your display name. This opens your account options. From the menu, choose Account. This will take you into your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage things like personal info, connected accounts, subscriptions, and security settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Password and Security. This is the section where Epic keeps the main security controls for your account, including your login and two-factor authentication settings. Now scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section. This is where Epic shows the different 2FA methods that may be active on your account. Depending on how you set it up, you may see options like Authenticator app, SMS, or email. Take a moment to identify which method is currently enabled because you'll want to turn off the correct one. Once you find the active method, look for the three dots, toggle button, or remove option next to it. Click that option to disable the selected 2FA method. If Epic asks you to confirm your choice, go ahead and confirm it carefully. This part is important because turning off 2FA reduces your account protection, so make sure this is really what you want before proceeding. After you confirm, the system should update your security settings, and that two-factor method will be disabled on your Epic Games account. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page and check the password and security tab again to make sure the setting was saved properly. It's always a good idea to double check, especially if you're making account security changes, and that's really all there is to it. You've now turned off 2FA in Epic Games by going to your account, opening password and security, finding the two-factor authentication section, and disabling the method you no longer want to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Epic Games settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.